Find good quality affiliate products to promote in less than 10 minutes. Why you should consider being an affiliate marketer. A lot of people are not aware of the benefits of being an affiliate marketer. It's one of the best ways to earn money online as a beginner. The best part about affiliate marketing is the income opportunity. An affiliate can make up to 75% commission on sales they generate. How to find good quality affiliate products. There are many ways to find and promote affiliate products. You can look for them on social media, Google, Amazon, or other affiliate networks. However, it is important that you only promote high-quality products that will provide value to your audience. 5 simple methods to find quality affiliate products to promote. The first method is to use the Amazon Affiliates program. If you have a website or a YouTube channel, then this is a great way of finding new affiliate products. The second method is to search on Google. You will find more niche-specific affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs in Google and see what pops up on the search results page. The third method I want to share with you is using an affiliate product database. There are many affiliate product databases. One of the most popular is ClickBank, which has over 10 million products available for affiliates. The fourth method is to read up on product reviews. Once you've found some products you like, look for product reviews to see whether the product is popular with consumers. The fifth method is to focus on products with little competition. While you want to find a product that's popular, you also need to ensure there isn't too much competition. Now that you know several ways in which you can find affiliate products, get out there and start searching.